Kathy's Outdoor Adventures. I'm joined here with Marianne Hazel. Definitely check out her channel. I'm going to leave a link down there. First time we've been together hiking, but it's been pretty fun. She's a badass, so check out her channel.
She's a badass.
So we're going to check out Bassi Falls. Come join us. Definitely some trees, huh, Marianne?
Wow. So many trees down.
You're definitely gonna get a workout today.
Here comes Kathy.
Wow, what a beautiful day. So now we are at the top of that waterfall. How amazing is this?
Okay, don't pull the tree down. Yeah, I wouldn't trust it. Yeah.
If you don't feel comfortable, we don't have to do this. You're gonna never want to go. You're never gonna want to go with me again. We did it. Top of Bassi Falls. Had to do some rock scrambling, but wow, it is rushing. Look at that. the rush of the water. One of the things I love about up here in Desolation in the Sierra Nevadas is how clear the water is. See straight down to the bottom. So here goes nothing. Let's see how cold this water is. Oh yes, it's definitely cold. Holy moly. You can see right in there is their tent. That yellow is their great spot. So I really enjoy being on the trail and meeting new people. So we met some new friends. I believe it was Alicia and Lee and their kids in the top. My new trail friends. Alright. I need to find a different way down instead of that big old rock cliff. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Today we did Bassi Falls. It was approximately 6 miles, but we did go off course. We went to the top of the waterfall, which was amazing. I would definitely suggest doing that. Some definitely had to do some scrambling. I went with Marianne. We had a great time. Check out her channel below, Marianne Hazel. Great, awesome lady. She's a badass out there. See you on the trail next time.